Oh, hi! Been a while. Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For anyone that's interested, I travelled to Australia in 2018 to backpack around the country. I ended up staying there for a year and a half, and then I've moved to where I am now, which is New Zealand. Borders are open again. Countries are welcoming workers from all over the world, and New Zealand is definitely one of the top destinations for backpackers to travel in 2022. So I thought that since I've been living here for over 2 years now, that I could show you around Auckland, because Auckland gets quite a bad rep among travellers and people arriving to New Zealand for the first time, and I want to prove you wrong. People just get the wrong impressions of the city because when they first arrive, they don't know necessarily the good parts. To be honest with you, when I first arrived here, I thought it was a bit of a hellhole as well. But I've actually settled here and it feels very close to my heart. And when you get to know Auckland a little bit better, you will absolutely love it. So if you are coming to New Zealand this year and you want to know what it's like in Auckland, then stick with me because I'm going to take you on a little day out. First things first though, gotta pick an outfit. I don't know if this is necessarily a good thing or a bad thing, but Auckland doesn't really have a sense of style. I find it a good thing. Basic bitches are welcome. You know how in Melbourne people are a bit more trendy, a bit more hipster. It's not really a thing in Auckland. People just dress how they want, dress how they feel comfortable. This is my look. Ignore the bulge. Just excited today. It is November, so the summer is just around the corner. But you know, it still rains a lot in Auckland. So I might just bring a hoodie. Quick hair check. Oh, stunning. Okay, ready. So we're out of the house and I'm going to start the video by showing you where I live, which is a lovely little suburb called Parnell. It's one of the best spots to come for breakfast, brunch, coffee. If you're in Auckland, you have to check it out. Of course, also one of the bougier places to live, as you can tell by this wooden fencing. Feel a little bit like Emily in Paris every time I come here. So as you can tell by the traffic, we are coming closer to the city centre, and this bridge always gives me New York vibes. It's currently Sunday, so the cafe I normally go to is shut, but I know of a really nice place in the city centre that does really nice Middle Eastern food. So I'm gonna go there, get a coffee, get something to eat, and then take you on a tour of Queen Street. I had a grinder hook up in here 2 days ago. Please be open, please be open. It's got like a shot of actual chocolate. I've had to come to the bathrooms to wash the chocolate sauce off my hands. That was one of the best coffees that I've had in Auckland, and I completely discovered this place by accident. Just take a second for all this amazing bathroom lighting that I'm getting today. Hello. Anyway, on with the tour. Let's go to Queen Street. So that is the Auckland Skytower, and you can walk up it, you can walk around it, you can jump off it, you can even gamble away your life savings in there because there's a casino inside it, and there's a rotating restaurant right at the top. It's a great day out. Now that I've shown you the inside of the city, I'm going to take you to my favourite place, which is down by the water, and it's the Viaduct. It's really beautiful, so let's go. I've had a grinder hook up in that building too. It's like a walking tour of all of the guys that I've hooked up with. harbour in 5-minute walk from Auckland City, and this is where I came on my first day in Auckland, and I was by myself. I had no friends, and it's kind of the place that made me fall in love with the city. And yeah, honestly, it's so many bars, so many great places to come and get food. On a nice day, it's beautiful. Even on a rainy day, it's lovely. This is the public toilet in Auckland City. They're playing piano music. This place up ahead is actually where I first worked when I moved to Auckland, Swashbuckler's Restaurant. It does New Zealand's best fish and chips, I promise you. If you're coming from England or Ireland, get your ass to Swashies as soon as you get to Auckland. You will not be disappointed. So from Viaduct Harbour, you can then walk 10 minutes to West Haven Marina, which is where Swashbucklers is. And then another 10 to 15 minutes walk will take you to Auckland Harbour Bridge, which is where we're off to now. And there's some nice beaches around there. If you were to calculate the value of all of these boats, how much do you think this is worth? There are like thousands of boats here, hundreds of millions of dollars worth. I have no idea, but it makes me feel rich, darling. If there's ever a zombie apocalypse, this is where I'm coming, darling. We made it to the bridge. I'm going to carry on walking to the other side, because then we're going to take a bus and go up Mount Eden for sunset. I think that would be the perfect way to end this video. Oh my god, I need all of these lights in my house. This is awesome. So Auckland is very small. You can walk everywhere in the city, but because I've been walking all day, we're going to hop on the bus. To take the bus, you just need a hop card. It's half price at the minute, so it's really cheap to get around. And download the AT Transport app, because you can track the buses live, super easy. I'm just going to take the bus. We're going to go to our final stop of the day. So, it feels good to sit down. We made it, and sunset isn't for another 45 minutes, so I'm gonna go and get some food. Dinner is sorted, got my new cap on, got my hoodie on, got a kebab. We're gonna walk up that mountain for sunset. If you've made it this far in the video, chances are you are seriously considering moving to New Zealand, and I just want to know, like, why? What's your reason? Because 4 years ago I was in exactly the same position. I was just really unhappy, and I just really wanted to change everything. And here we are, 4 years later, 2 countries later, on the other side of the world, and I'm honestly loving it. But I can't lie to you, like, I have been struggling lately. I've just been going through it, you know. We all have those times in life where stress gets the better of us, and I wanted to channel that energy into doing something creative with my time. And for the longest time, I've just been so afraid to start filming and like making videos again, because I never thought that I was any good at it. But today has been a really good day. I've enjoyed spending time by myself. I think it's important to unplug from the world sometimes and just have a wholesome day, seeing things, enjoying nature, being outside and thinking things through. And it's good that I get to show you Auckland, because I'm not going to be here for very much longer, because I'm moving to Canada in March. You didn't see that one coming. Yep, I'm moving to Canada. I'm going to sign off now, eat my food and enjoy the rest of this sunset. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. See ya.